What if you could launch real working software just by describing it in plain English? A live website with its own database, a chat assistant that answers customers around the clock, a booking system running on a server that never sleeps, no code, no commands, just words. That is exactly what happens when you pair the Abacus AI supercomputer with Fable 5. And I am going to show you how to turn that into services businesses happily pay for. Hey, it is Paul James. Every week I dig through new AI tools so you do not waste your time. And honestly, this one made me sit back in my chair. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. Now let me set the table for a second. The old way of getting software built is honestly kind of brutal. You either learn to code yourself, which takes years, or you hire a developer, which can cost more than a used car, or you rent your whole business from a stack of subscriptions. Platforms like Go High Level charge close to $300 a month just to keep the lights on. And you still do not own a single piece of it. Cancel the payment and everything you built vanishes with it. That is the trap, renting tools forever instead of owning assets that quietly work for you. Here is where things flip. I call this new workflow the spoken software loop, and it is exactly what it sounds like. You speak the outcome you want in normal, everyday language, the system builds it, tests it, fixes its own mistakes, and puts it live. Then you look at what came back and describe the next change. Say it, watch it ship, refine it, repeat. That loop used to require a whole team of engineers. Now it requires one clear sentence from you. And once you see it happen the first time, you cannot unsee it. So let me break down what is actually going on here without getting nerdy about it. Think of the Abacus AI supercomputer as a computer in the cloud that never switches off. It runs day and night, so whatever you build stays online while you sleep. Databases and storage come baked in, so your information has a home from minute one. Compute scales up automatically whenever you throw something heavy at it. It also plugs into the accounts and tools you already use, so nothing gets abandoned. There is even a library of more than 100 models sitting under one roof. And when a project is ready, it goes public on a real link with one click. No setup marathons, no server headaches. You never touch any of that side of things. And because the machine stays awake, you can run tools that live there permanently. Picture a small helper that watches a form and sends a friendly follow-up, or a private dashboard a client opens every morning with fresh numbers already waiting. These are not one-time deliverables. These are little employees that never call in sick. Now stay with me because this next piece is where it gets wild. Sitting on top of that machine is Fable 5, built by Anthropic. Abacus AI added an effort setting called Max Mode. Flip it on, and every request you make goes straight to Claude Fable 5. This is not a tool that spits out code and wishes you luck. It asks smart questions first, like a contractor walking the property before quoting the job. Then it plans the build, writes everything, runs it, catches its own errors, and repairs them. It even inspects the finished product before handing it over to you. Actually, let me put it more simply. You describe the destination and it drives the entire way there. And look, here is a detail most people never notice. You are not forced to pay premium prices on every little task. Abacus AI also has a feature called Custom Routers. You write the rules once in plain English. Heavy builds go to Fable 5, simple questions go to lighter, cheaper models. The platform sorts each request automatically and tells you which model handled it. Big engine for the mountain roads, economy engine for the grocery run. Your bill stays sane and your quality stays sharp exactly where it matters most. I remember feeling completely boxed out of this world back when I lived in my brother's garage. I had ideas, but no money for developers and no clue how to write code. A setup like this would have changed everything for me back then. So let us get into the part you are really here for, turning this into income. Think about what small businesses already pay for every single month. Start with web design. Right now, a local plumber is paying somebody for a website that barely works. You can sit down, describe a clean site with a quote request form, and have it live today. The form feeds a real database, so no lead ever slips through the cracks. You charge for the build, then a monthly fee to keep it hosted and updated. It lives on your SuperComputer, which means the relationship keeps paying you month after month. Now here is the part worth sitting with for a second. If a business already pays someone for a website, they can pay you instead. You are not inventing demand out of thin air. You are stepping in front of demand that already exists with a faster way to deliver. That is the whole opportunity in one sentence. And websites are only the front door. Think about AI chatbots next. You describe an assistant loaded with a dental office's hours, services, and insurance answers. Fable 5 builds it and parks it on their site, answering patients at midnight. The front desk stops drowning in the same repeated questions every single day. That is a service worth real money, and you delivered it with a conversation. Then you have custom knowledge bases. Take a landscaping company's price sheets, service areas, and policies. Turn them into a private answer engine the whole crew can search in seconds. Nobody has to call the owner 5 times a day anymore. The owner would hug you for that, and you have lead generation too. Describe a simple landing page for a roofer, tied to a form, tied to a follow-up message. Every storm season, that little machine collects names while he is up on a roof. You could even layer in email and text follow-up for clients you land. The system already stores every lead, so a simple nurture sequence is one description away. One client, 3 services, all running on hardware you control. Stack enough of those, and you have quietly built an agency without hiring anyone. Here is the twist almost nobody talks about. None of these projects require experience, a portfolio, or a technical bone in your body. If you can write a clear paragraph, you can describe a build. If you can describe a build, you can deliver a real service. That is the entire barrier now. Clarity, not code. Complete beginners are standing on the same starting line as agencies for the first time. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Let me paint a picture for you. A made-up example, but a realistic one. Imagine a woman named Renata who works a warehouse job outside Tulsa. 0 tech background, 0 savings for software. One evening, she opens the Abacus AI supercomputer. She describes a booking page for a mobile dog groomer she knows, appointment slots, a reminder message, and a little gallery of past grooms. Fable 5 asks her a few sharp questions, then builds the whole thing while she eats dinner. The next morning, she shows the groomer, who has been juggling clients through text messages for years. The groomer says yes on the spot to a modest monthly fee. Renata never wrote a line of code, she wrote sentences. Now she has a repeatable service for every mobile business in her town. That story is illustrative, not a promise, but it shows you the exact shape of the play. And most people never realize how quickly this compounds. Every build you describe becomes a pattern you can describe again, only faster. Your second website takes half the effort of your first one. Your 5th chatbot practically assembles itself because you already know which questions matter. The tool does the labor. You collect the experience, and experience is the one asset nobody can cancel or repossess. Word travels fast in small business circles too. One happy groomer knows a barber, who knows a mechanic, who knows a florist. Referrals become the engine, and your delivery speed becomes the story they tell. So picture your next 30 days after making this your normal routine. You stop scrolling past AI news and start shipping small assets every week. A site here, an assistant there, a little lead machine humming in the background for a client. Each one owned by you, hosted on your own always running machine, working while you rest. The Abacus AI supercomputer handles the infrastructure. Fable 5 handles the craftsmanship. Your only job is getting better at describing exactly what you want. And listen, that is a skill you can start sharpening tonight for free at your kitchen table. If you would like to try this out, I'll leave link in the description and pinned comment to Abacus AI supercomputer. I'll see you in the next one.